New team in the hood. City saved.
What's that supposed to be about, baby?
Life and the whole gang is together.
Crazy. Reminiscing all the.
Wait, Ty, aren't you the same height as Kevin Hart?
You guys go from tallest to smallest.
Aren't you the same size as Phantom? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Click's invited me? How do I check that? Oh.
That nigga ain't know what you do.
This stuff
Oh
around.
shit! Oh fuck! I'm scared.
Punch
Shit.
you! Push! There you go. There you go.
Go back. Push. Go back. Push.
There you go.
Dig. You there? You was close. Dig.
Show what the okay, bow. Hey, you gotta bow. Bow to show respect.
That's fine.
Hey, you're a man, man. You're a brave dude. You're a brave dude. Yeah.
She a baddie, you know she a twin. She a baddie with her baddie friends. To be honest, you guys do hot.
Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops.
Gra,
She mad cause I'm taking her
gra,
spot.
gra,
If I was
gra,
bitches, I'd give me a
gra,
lot.
gra.
Like damn, she
She
in
gonna
the
do
mood.
like that.
She
You
in her
fucking that shit up
mood.
like that.
Damn,
She in the mood. Damn, bitch.
Like damn, she
in the mood, bitch.
She lit. Got money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Is she gonna be big? Is she gonna be?
Say it again, nigga.
I told you. You think that shit funny, nigga? You think that shit funny, nigga? You over here taking my bitch, nigga? That shit funny or some shit? Let me go. You broke the fucking heart, nigga. Hold on.
Feel like I was stuck with you. Get out of here!
Relax.
Now I feel like I'm never touching the same night you daddy that would be off with me. Hoping that it's my baby, that shit gon' fall with me.
A whole bunch of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle games and Fortnite has just dropped. Alright, so we gonna be on Fort tomorrow in the morning. Oh, this jersey kinda tough. What the hell? Rakai, teacher, he's here. No, I'm joking. No assignments, bro. Good morning, bro. Good morning, bro. Dap me up.
You guys are impressive. I have Spider-Man power. No, you don't, nigga. I'm Spider-Man, not you. Shout out to Bicola. Welcome to the team. Thanks for the sub. There's only one Spider-Man in this universe, nigga.
You push with your legs. Here we go. Juice. Go.
Hey, push.
Nice. Push.
Come on.
Push with your legs.
God damn it,
Put your head in. Put your head in.
Out, nigga, out! Out!
Nice.
Damn, God, fuck! I tell my Hold on. Shit. Cry. You deserve it, bro. You can cry, bro. Let that shit out. Fuck it. All that. And everybody, to the creators out there, let me talk to y'all. To the creators, to the content creators out there. My brothers and sisters, we are living in a world where it is crazy right now. Look, all the YouTubers, all the upcoming streamers, you better put belt to ass. I'm telling you, okay? Put belt to ass, do what you gotta do, and just lock in. I'm telling you, all them streamers, I'm telling y'all. Y'all got y'all PC, y'all got y'all, we work through, go at your pace, do what you gotta do. If you think it's over, it's not. Don't make it any excuse, edit your own shit, bro. I believe in you. Anybody that's out there that's doing it, I believe. Extra loud.
Rage, I just got word, Rage. It's the last day, my boy. You gotta suit up.
What is that?
I'm telling you. It's not safe here, my boy.
What does that mean, bro? It's not
He's
safe.
gonna put his shit on next. But I'm just coming
What
to
is that for, bro? Come on, bro. What is this for? Paintballs?
my boy.
Kyle, what is this the pattern for, bro? Come on, bro.
If you was watching, you know, gang.
You don't watch. You haven't been watching.
I'm scared.
It's the you think it's the last day and they about to allow us to sleep?
Oh, April Attack is lit too.
Nah.
What?
Wait, Proto!
Nerf,
April Attack is lit too.
When you get shot by these...
Claim your spot, TK. We want to sleep at. I think TK. Over here should be good. Couch is good.
TK, I'm gonna keep it 100.
What's going on, chat? It's getting worse. What's happening? Yo, why is this shit shaking? Why the lights still on?
Y'all can't see what I'm doing?
Yo, this nigga twerking! Chat, he was twerking!
Chill. Shout out to Yunvik J, Scary Terry MF, Tien Ja. Thank you for the resub.
It's the game.
Chat, did you see him?
This means war. Thank you for the 30 bits. Appreciate you.
Oh, he's caught. He's got.
Fix it, cause I'm about
Who
to fuck his head
fuck
up. I'm about to fuck his head
Hey,
up.
I don't like the
Put
way
that
y'all.
gang shit back on. Put that killer shit back on. Real.
I don't like. I don't like.
Gang in this bitch, gang in this bitch, gang in this bitch, gang in this bitch.
Hey, y'all, for real, man. Hey, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. My eyes are really going cross-eyed, for real, y'all. Y'all stop.
What was this thing people used to do in Fortnite?
Double pump.
Ooh.
Your goal from your journey, and just be thankful all throughout the way. Just be always thankful, be always grateful, and try not to sit on the negatives. Like for real, just whatever negative things that happen in your life, just let that shit go. Focus on the positive things, because at the end of the day, the positive things will take you further in life than the negatives will. And always just be grateful for the people that you have around you, and grateful for the people that God puts in your life. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not too good at the speeches like that, but hey, Icon, I appreciate you. I appreciate your whole family.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Like I learned a lot from your mom.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay. Well, I'm not good at giving speeches. But I could do my best. I'll do my best right now. I just want to say, chat. I started VTubing because I was lonely. And I was lonely because I lived my life isolated because of my medical condition. And it's been very, very tough. I basically started streaming out of that and take care of my family and take care of myself and actually stream and do things that I never thought were possible in my life. And I know that sometimes living is hard. Living with a chronic illness is hard. Living in any type of situation is hard. But if you keep on persevering and if you keep on dreaming and believing, which was something that I didn't even have for myself. There was a point in my life where I didn't believe in myself and I didn't have dreams or hopes.
Fake hungry as shit. Not hungry, like. Let's go. Thank you.
I can kiss you right now, but you're a man. That's gay.
Nigga, what?
So you're a man. That's gay.
Pushing like this. You're here. Head and hands together. Boom. Like a triangle. Triangle. Boom. And then you push with your legs. Here we go. Juice. Go.
Kyle on the phone with young Kyle.
Bitch, he's gonna turn it up.
Bitch, he gonna clock it,
He's gonna
bitch.
clock it, man.
You clocking some T, huh?
Everybody tee back in the queue.
He is gonna wild out in SU.
What you gonna do?
No, I'm just gonna go home, like, chill with my mom and shit.
Hey, what else?
And my dog, I miss my dog.
What else?
Shit.
What else?
Shit. What?
I ain't home.
We can stream and go shopping together, which is crazy. What am I hearing? He's injured right now? What? Yeah, but it's
I
all
can
good
recommend
now.
you so many good places.
Yeah. Well, you have an amazing night, all right?
You too, thank you. Thank
Alright,
you
later.
so much. And good luck on your subathon and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Iron Mouse. Appreciate you.
Okay.
Have an amazing night.
No, I appreciate you. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hi. When Mafiathon 3 is gonna be, but I do know if I do another one, we going for a milli. Who knows? I might do a Mafiathon in every. I might do one in every continent. Who knows? I might do one in Antarctica. I might do one in Africa. I might do one in Europe. I might do one. I don't know, chat. Who knows? But if we do another one, damn, nigga.
Your rage.
It's a load. Right there.
Purchase gift?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. W event chat.
Because if you want
These two the most destined.
a burger, eat a burger. If you want a french fry, eat a french fry. The fuck? That was not that was not the vibe. That was not the vibe.
We could I ran on the treadmill for like.
Nah, Silky. Whoa.
I'm digging liquor shit, bro.
I was that liquor shit.
How that?
Oh my fucking god, dude. Nah, what the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Yo.
Oh, it's Gwen.
Yo.
Hi guys. That's my friend Gwen and shit.
Hi. Gwen, how you doing? Nice to meet you.
My dog TK right now.
Hi, nice to meet you.
My friend Ty Love.
First you wouldn't let me save my dad, and now you're out with this nigga.
God, that's my.
Gwen, don't pay.
Gwen.
Listen, you know, niggas are bitter and shit.
Hi.
Crazy that
Friend
way.
Con.
I hope you enjoy my sloppy seconds.
I don't know what you talking about, my boy.
Whoa.
Yeah, never hit that.
You know Miles?
Hello.
Yes, you know Miles.
Barely.
Barely.
Gwen. Not too.
You know,
Chilling.
hopping around, universe to universe. You know how it is.
Yeah, you really are hopping around universe to universe.
Wait, dang, this your girl, nigga?
He came to the function with your sis.
That was never my girl.
That is your girl.